background noise, but today we're going to be making slime. I don't really post on this account, as you guys know, but I will sometimes film because you're my besties. But yeah, I can't open this one. Hold up, y'all. I'm going to try to open this. Never mind, I can't open this. But so I already made a batch of slime. I made like a light one, but it was off the camera. Yeah. I'm gonna try to get out the rest of the other one.
I'll stop in and talk to her when she's out of recovery in the regular room. You okay? Yeah, thanks.
Mr. Taylor?
Yeah?
Your wife's out of surgery and the doctor will be out to talk to you in a few minutes.
It's gonna take forever.
Please, call or go online right now.
Oh, I actually got it.
If operators are busy,
I think I have to.
please wait patiently or call wellsfrienders.org right away.
Scout is protected by Simparica Trio, and he's in it to win it. Simparica Trio is the first tube with triple protection. Oh, please! And text.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go grab a little secret ingredient, but first we're gonna
For winning protection, go with Simparica Trio. Heck yeah, some of the sweet tactics on TikTok. Oh, the doctors are real beauty. People say he's passionate about business too. Says here, Dr. Science got great bedside manner.
turn my mom background, y'all. It's kind of noisy, but
Dr. Sales on 33rd. He can practically skate there. Does he take more insurance? Sure does. That's super important. And she's got an opening after practice. Okay, sweet. So sweet. Sweet. You got options. Look down.
slime is like my expertise. I'm probably gonna start a slime business. Cause
Tips. Is there anything more interesting on test pattern maybe? It happens to be a quality show, Alex. Eric's going to get
it's not really showing, but you can see it.
Time to work out this hitch.
I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna move to a different
It's
location.
noisy, it's crowded, and everybody wears those tacky double mitts.
It's not letting me focus.